I took an image of moving birds in the sky, how the pattern is when they move together, and how it looks, a still image of a moving object. And this is for my book 3, and just in this scene I'm looking at, it's just before the storm. The birds are just entering a storm, and I try to capture, like, if you work with the senses, like how could the smell be? How could the sound be? How is the feeling? Is there any taste? Maybe the rain taste have a special taste, maybe salty or something else. And how does it look? And this is just before the storm. So this is one way to capture an idea and then move forward with it later, but still to get into the feeling. And that could help you with the text as well, if you start with drawing or if you start with words. But in this, to build up this scene, I started with drawing watercolors. So this is something you could try to work with the 5 senses and see how it can help your story.